YouTube! Hear me, I said, man, cool, man. I try stars, I check it in. Here what I go on now. Me have some of the body driver them from Jamaica with me right now, you see me, I say? My teacher there, I'm a boss, Melvin there. You see me, I say? Right now, let me tell you how we do this. When we get the chance to link up, we talk about bag of things. And the only time we get to link up, based on the miles and based on the work we have to work, we not have the time for you. Call one there. You see me, I say? So me link up the man them. Be excited. My teacher there, me link there. And the whole work. Hear me, I say, man, don't big up on yourself for YouTube, the man. Here what I go on. Watch you know. Melvin, see him there. The school, no man. Kevin, big up yourself, my boss. The man, I'm a teacher, you know. And then, here I go on. You know that same video here. See me, I say, me go drop the boss with my back up the truck. Some wrong side back up. Some upside down back up. A bag of thing. And the man with me, there Canada, I push on the truck. Right after the message, right after the video here, me go drop it in, so no stay tuned for see the back up video, you know. You see me, I say, watch it out, man. When I truck name again, cab over. A day one of the my biggest driver. Me telling the man at Jamaica that you can't say anything else.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.
But anyway, you are going for that one, you know. Maybe the man, maybe could know who me I deal with. Maybe could know the whole works. That's why things set, you know. See something to people, them, Melvin.
Yeah, man, we have to try. We have to, man, a whole heap of experience and knowledge, you know.
See that?
See me? Them experience here come from way back when, you know, back from my yard, you know. Where we go out and do a thing and, you know, come on, we gather even more. You have to see them way. You see me?
So we have to tell a man we are pre the thing now, so he want to come on board or he want to join the thing.
Well, let me tell you, Chai, I can tell you, it's a whole lot of different experience from driving a yard and coming over here. You get a more experience driving on snow, ice, all different type of terrain, a weather you have to deal with. But as I say, it's a whole lot of experience. You see me? And you know, you get more knowledge on certain type of driving, and you know, and the different cultures you learn different. You know, you meet different type of cultures because you have people who speak French, you have people who come from India, China. So it's a mixture of people.
Right, so that's about the vibes. With the vibes of the driving. At the same.
Well, basically, you know, driving, you know, but as me say, at the different type of weather we have to deal with. You see me? But it's a whole experience.
All right. So we don't want to tell a man like we drink in liquor we stop on bar and wait compared to up here and down there.
Well, it now go. Let me tell you, with the drinking a liquor back a yard a niceness. You see, but drinking a liquor with the air, so I tell you, say it's a no. Drinking a liquor is definitely a no until you're there home, depend your rest period, bro. You see me? You can have your free time, you drink a liquor. Yeah, so if they make me catch you with a ounce, it's a little buckle. It's a simple example. It's a small buckle, empty buckle in your truck, you know. You lose your license for that. You understand? So it verifies. It's just a mindset you have to have and know. Say condition yourself, say back a yard thing, and a way you can care for myself to do, brother. As me tell you, there's a whole different experience of driving. You see, and discipline. As me say, the experience it now.
Let's tell a new man now we're interested in forward. Just one thing I want to give them.
Yeah, man. As me say, the experience it is a very good experience. You see me, but as me say, the whole mentality thing with Jamaican driving, it's a different type of driving in Jamaica. It's still spelled driving, but as me say, weather condition is a whole different thing to deal with here. And as me say, you have to have respect and you know, self-esteem and you know, manners. As them say, a manners carry through the world, and which me nah say it carry through the world because you can't take manners and go and play it, as them say. Then and there, the experience in coming in Canada, trust me, can do a big change in your life. Yeah, big change, and no doubt about that.
All right.
Say, big up yourself, John.
All right, respect my boss, respect. See the man at the moment, yeah. And them man has to try the road, you know, man.
Yeah, man.
You see me, I say, the man has to try the road. So here I go on now, Kevin. Come on, you tell the people them what I go on, you know.
Yeah.
See me, I say.
Real. Well, Melvin done said it all. The only thing we can do is add one and two things to that. I just say, the new folks them when I come here, it's not a better road. That's all I can tell you. Don't expect say it's go much easier than way there. Yeah, you understand? Chucking much more rougher than way so than if you I can't tell you that straight. The comments are experience that chucking rougher than way so than
How much years you come from down here?
You mean how much years for there, sir?
No, yeah, experience.
You went for years, man. I'm not talking about try, man. I went for years. Like it's almost 30 years old and all that.
And how much man I give some practice before they reach a bed?
Yeah, stop going try. I tell you the truth, I remember. I work for man there where I'm a boss. I literally boss them.
See there.
I kind of stop coming. I need to follow up on them thing there. You see me? Just do my thing and leg on man and leg.
I'm a teacher these people. Kevin, as I say, I have a video I'm going to show you when they are Jamaica that time when they on the road I do a thing and this man I say, no worry yourself man, I show you wrong side back up.
Man, I really think man.
One of these, you know?
Man come here now and man man are doing thing, man are hungry road.
Alright, see that now? See that now?
Yeah, man. So to all the new folks that are coming, whether you're new to this or you're in this land, can't tell it. It's not a better road. Come here with it. Don't come here with the expectation too high. Just come here and know, say you're coming to come make a difference, come here to make a life, make some money, and see where you can get out of it.
Alright.
It's like you're a size I keep there, put on just like everybody else.
Yeah, wait for you.
Yeah, man.
Alright, so I want to ask this, you know, what you come here come experience where you wish somebody tell you, we don't want to tell them now?
Well, differently, the distance I want. Terrain, alright, the distance and the terrain as well, Melvin. The distance, you do a longer driving distance away. So when we say drive, at Jamaica, you can run from Kingston and Mobile, you reach. Don't you, so when you left your side, you say you go to a certain place. It take you days, it can take you days, it can take you weeks, it can take you months. So that's one of the main key thing when we come here to come experience differently. And the terrain, yeah, we have rough terrain in Jamaica, but trust me, over here, so.
All different
type of terrain over here. Hills and valley, you name it.
So we're not telling about the PA in the first 6 months, 8 months, the PA. Coming over that side here, because you did the rich side before.
No, man. Yeah. Alright, but the eastern side of Canada is like, to me that's a Canada that's divided up in a tree. It's just like, oh, you have Jamaica divided up, like Cornwall and Middlesex and Surrey. To me, I see something basically with Canada. It's the Canada have the eastern side, the way they call it, the middle side, the middle section of Canada, you have the western side of Canada. Well, the western side of Canada are more progressive than the eastern side in terms of like monetary-wise pay, because what is the Isle province now, what is the island, or what is the richest. You understand? When I say western, I talk about Alberta, back them side, the BC, back them side. You know, so you find say you make life much quicker over this. You understand? Then they have the middle part of Saskatchewan and them places, you know. It's not too bad. But the eastern side of Canada, you know, trust me, it's nice, you know, but it's rough. You see me, I say?
It's a whole experience.
Yeah, it's a whole different experience over the western side. It's nice, but it's rough. And you have to go through a whole different ball game from way up on the west compared to the east. You understand me, I say? Everything kind of slightly different.
So we compare the US driving and Canada driving.
The US driving and the Canada driving, here what man now? Technically the same now. US just a little bit more busy than Canada, you know. That's all me see now. You understand? US are more, I call it, a more up-to-date city, up-to-date country. Canada up-to-date, you know, but them kind of laid back still. You understand? And then again, as well, Melvin say, you drive less
we don't tell a new man like guy me yard.
Forget about that. If you come here to make money, you can't forget about that. If you like guy yard, you don't make the money. If you out the road car, right now, we just come off a 3-week run, take a 3-day break, and we dip on it again. Same thing with Melvin here. I saw we run it. Sometimes 3 weeks out the road or a month, and we go yard. So you go, if you come here with the intention to make money, you have to just spend your mind, you know? Yeah, man. You don't make no sense to say, boy, you have to just come out and run, go up. That not gonna work. You see, man, like winter when me talk about, you have to out there dig it. Because if you don't dig it in the winter, nobody not pay nothing over here, so Bridget. You so come like yard now, you can't say, yo, I'm going to link try if you're thinking, I'm going to link no man. Nah, man, if you're not working, you don't eat, man.
So 7 bills, you're correct, 7 bills a week. Is that something can work for you and your family?
No, I'm going to tell you straight up. No, that maga. I'm going to say that way maga.
Give me a little quick breakdown. We don't give me all your business thing. But give me a little quick breakdown with a little 7 bills there.
No, that 7 bills there, I'm going to say if you work at 7 bills a week, most places will pay you bi-weekly. Some places bi-weekly at 2 weeks, 7 bills and 14 bills a week. That. By the time you pay rent and phone bill and light bill and internet bill if you have internet in your yard and cable bill and buy a little food and everything. Nothing left out of that.
That's why you have to go hard.
So you have to go hard or you go up. So you rub about 3 weeks out there, you know, so you make off a certain mileage and you know, so for the week you
can see a good money.
Yeah, for the week you might work over $1,000 for the week, you know, so well for the 2 weeks you're up and close to $2,000. So then at the end then you can say, alright, you can monitor your thing, you can have money put on for your rent, have money put on for save, you know, have money put on for this, you understand, you take care of your business better. But 7 bills kinda, so if that's your plan for coming for work for you, that make no sense, because that come like a paycheck to paycheck.
And how much mile you have to run to get all the 7 bills there?
A whole heap, man, thousands of miles. 7, you have to all the week, you have to rub off all 8,000-9,000 miles. Yeah, 7. Because you can tell it, sometimes for all the 3 weeks or for 2 weeks, because a single me running now, you have Timo, you have man where run single. A single me and Melvin now. And sometimes we have to brush off all the 15,000-16,000 miles for all the 2 weeks. You see how what you do. So I better roast them, brother.
How them people might hear this? How them might hear this, Melvin?
Yeah, man. I better roast, brother.
Real thing, man.
Yeah, man. Some place in America where me and Melvin go, man, the half has never been told, you know? Been there and done that.
Yo, you know.
As me can say again, Chai, my experience when me come as my first real experience, because normally we run them what we normally do, like a every week thing. See, New Jersey, and Pennsylvania, New York, Boston, and me get a run go Texas, and me I tell you, when me put in the address in my GPS, see, and me say 5,000 at killer.
Yeah, man. One week that.
Yo.
One way that, you know.
One way, you know. So you know, see you look for 1,000 odd.
Yeah, man.
You understand? So, as me tell a man, say, it's a whole lot of different experience. I see him driving, me I tell her, when you come here, sir, you talk about work, you work for your thing, sir.